Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Liana's Slow English. I am Liana. Today, my friend Alex and I are walking on the beautiful streets of Vancouver, and we are getting very hungry. Before we start, here is today's quick challenge. Listen carefully and tell me, what food does Alex decide to order? Write your answer in the comments below. Now, let's join our conversation. Alex, I am getting so hungry. Where should we go for dinner?
I am starving too, Liana. How about we get some fast food, like a burger place?
I prefer to sit down and have a nice, proper dinner tonight. What are you in the mood for?
Well, I really want a good steak. Do you know any good places nearby?
Let's go to the Elisa restaurant. Their food is very popular and the place is very relaxing.
Sounds like a good plan. Let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How many?
Good evening. A table for two, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Is there a table free?
Yes, we do. We have a lovely table over here. Follow me, please.
Excuse me, could we sit in that corner booth instead? Those seats look more comfortable and quiet.
Of course. No problem at all. Right this way. Here are your menus. I will give you a few minutes to look at them. Are you ready to order your meal now?
Yes, we are ready. But I am very allergic to nuts. Does the chicken salad have any peanuts?
No. Our chicken salad has no nuts at all. I will tell the chef to be completely safe. What about you, sir?
I am sensitive to milk, so I cannot eat any dairy products, like butter or cheese.
Understood. No nuts and no milk products. I will write that down. Okay, let's start with your orders. I will take your complete order now, from appetizer to desserts. What would you like to have?
Great. To drink, just still water for me, please. For my appetizer, I'll have the green salad with the sauce on the side. For the soup, I'd like the tomato soup.
Excellent. And for your main course and dessert, ma'am?
For my main course, I'll have the roast chicken. And for dessert, I would like the chocolate cake, please. Perfect. Thank you. And for you, sir, what are your choices today?
To drink, an apple juice, please. For the starter, I would like the garlic bread. I will skip the soup today.
Got it. No soup. And for your main dish?
I'll have the steak, please.
Great choice. What cut of steak would you like? We have sirloin or ribeye.
I'll go with the ribeye, please. But please tell the chef to cook it without butter.
Yes, we can make it without butter. How do you want your steak cooked, sir? Rare, medium, or well done?
Medium, please.
And what kind of sauce would you like with that? Mushroom sauce? Or black pepper sauce?
Black pepper sauce, please. But can you put the sauce on the side, too?
Certainly. Ribeye steak, medium, no butter, and black pepper sauce on the side. And do you want any dessert tonight, sir?
Yes. I would like the strawberry ice cream, please.
Wonderful. I have your complete order now. I will bring your drinks and appetizer first. Here are your drinks. The tomato soup for you, ma'am, and the garlic bread for you, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Wow, Alex. This tomato soup is so warm and rich. It tastes perfect on a cold night like this. How is your garlic bread?
It is great. It is very crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Do you want to try a piece?
No, thanks. I want to save some room for my main dish later. How were the appetizers tonight? They were absolutely wonderful. Thank you.
Yes, the garlic bread was delicious.
Excellent. I will take these plates away and bring your main courses right out. Here is the grilled chicken salad for the lady with the sauce on the side, and the ribeye steak for the gentleman, medium, and no butter.
Thank you so much. It smells amazing.
You're very welcome. Please enjoy your main dishes.
Look at your steak, Alex. It looks so good. How is it?
Wow. It is cooked perfectly. It is very soft and delicious, even without butter. How is your salad?
It is so fresh. I am really glad I asked for the salad sauce on the side. This way, the salad does not get too soft.
Yeah, eating healthy food makes you feel good. But tonight, this steak is my favorite comfort food.
Enjoy your meal, Alex. Let's eat.
How was everything tonight? Did you enjoy the food?
Everything was absolutely delicious. Thank you. The chocolate cake was so soft and sweet.
Yes, and my strawberry ice cream was amazing. The fresh flavor was perfect.
I am so glad to hear that. I will take these plates away for you. And here is the bill. Would you like to pay together or separately?
Separately, please. We will split it.
No problem. Here is the card machine for you first, ma'am.
Thank you. Let me check. Okay, my part is $25. The food and service today were excellent. I will choose 18% for the tip on the screen.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure serving you. And here is your turn, sir.
All done. Thank you again.
Thank you both. Have a wonderful night. Goodbye.